Welcome back to Idealist. Today we have 7 affordable, fun to drive new cars that can be all yours for around $500 per month, with the first one being a fan favorite, the Toyota GR86. The all-new Toyota GR86, a pulse-pounding, heart-racing, grin-inducing masterpiece that combines incredible performance, stunning design, and an accessible price tag, all in one irresistible package. But what makes the GR86 so special? Let's start with the beating heart of this sports car, a naturally aspirated 2.4-liter flat-4 engine that belts out a healthy 228 horsepower. This high-revving power plant delivers an exciting and responsive driving experience with a soundtrack that'll have you searching for tunnels just to hear it sing. As for fuel efficiency, the GR86 doesn't disappoint. With 31 miles per gallon on the highway, you'll be able to enjoy those spirited drives and pass a few pumps along the way. But the 86 is more than just a performance bargain. Its striking exterior design, featuring sleek lines, aggressive headlights, and a bold front grille, ensure that you're going to be turning heads wherever you go. And inside the cabin, you'll find a driver-focused cockpit with all the latest technology and creature comforts to make every drive a memorable one. If you're in the market for a sports car that offers an unbeatable blend of performance, style, and affordability, it's hard to beat the Toyota GR86. Starting at $28,400 or just $457 per month, kind of an ideal deal. And real quick, there's nothing like a little Huracan Performante V10 in the morning. Okay, if you've ever imagined yourself turning heads in a jaw-dropping supercar, you are in the right place. Sign up. Sign up for the Ideal Collective. Right now, it is completely free, and I've linked to it in the pinned first comment down below. And just by signing up, you'll be the first to know about the first Ideal car giveaway ever. Spots are limited, so sign up today. Again, it's in the pinned first comment, and now, back to the show. The Hyundai Elantra N. The Hyundai Elantra N is a sports car that's winning hearts and shaking up the performance scene like never before. See, the N in Elantra N stands for Nanyang, Hyundai's global R&D center, and Nürburgring, the legendary German racetrack where the car was honed to perfection. This high-performance machine was built from the ground up to excel both on and off the track. And we can't get over the sound that it makes. One of the most distinctive features of the Elantra N is its aggressive note, complete with pops and bangs during spirited driving. This spine-tingling soundtrack is sure to turn your neighbor's head in disappointment. But what's not disappointing is the lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that delivers ultra-fast seamless shifts for a truly engaging driving experience. Of course, us purists can also opt for a classic 6-speed manual gearbox for an even more connected feel. Under the hood is a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that's cranking out 276 horsepower, and that's not due to the gentleman's agreement. But that's more than enough power while still managing a respectable 28 miles per gallon on the interstate. So it takes $32,900 or $530 per month to get behind this Korean dream machine. Honda Civic SI. The new Honda Civic SI combines thrilling performance, mind-blowing fuel efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, all wrapped up in a sleek, stylish package that's bound to make you the cool kid on the block for once. I've always dreamt of that. And for the first time ever in Civic SI history, Honda has fitted a turbocharged engine under the hood. Yes, the 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder delivers a thrilling 205 horsepower, providing both performance and 27 mile per gallon fuel efficiency that'll leave you grinning every time you hit that accelerator. Honda's manual gearboxes are some of the best in the biz when it comes to feel, and rowing the gears is bliss with a close ratio 6-speed manual mated to a limited slip differential. The SI features an advanced adaptive damper system that can adjust suspension settings on the fly, providing optimal handling and ride comfort in every single condition. Now, while the Civic SI is a fantastic sports car in its own right, it does share some of its DNA with its bigger brother, the fire-breathing Civic Type R. Elements such as the aggressive front fascia, sport seats, and red accents throughout the cabin are subtle nods to the SI's high-performance sibling. Factor in Honda's second-to-none reliability, and you know it's a sports car you can depend on day in and day out. Starting at $28,500 or $450 per month, it's a tough act to pass up. Mazda Miata. Mazda's MX-5 Miata is a lightweight, nimble, and downright just fun to drive roadster. It is the perfect balance of power and agility, and the Miata's weight-conscious construction and near 50-50 weight distribution make it an absolute joy to drive, dancing around corners with the grace of a ballerina. And let's not forget about the beautiful sculpted exterior design. Inspired by Mazda's Kodo design philosophy, the Miata's flowing lines, aggressive front fascia, and elegant rear end invoke a sense of motion when the car is just standing still. Plus, the engine is a true work of art, a potent yet efficient Skyactiv 4-cylinder marvel that delivers 181 horsepower, which is just the right amount of punch to keep things exciting while still getting you impressive fuel economy. And it's the ideal amount of power thanks to its featherweight construction, tipping the scales at a mere 2,300 pounds. It's so good, it's the star of the show in the Global MX-5 Cup, a one-make racing series that highlights the car's affordability and performance capabilities. And it is the Guinness World Record holder for the best-selling two-seater sports car in history, with over 1 million units being sold since its debut in 1989. Which, if you want to check out more fun facts about the Miata, check out the Everything You Didn't Know About the Miata up here. And I promise you, either way, clicking up there or staying here, you're gonna say zoom zoom. Now, if you're feeling a little bit more exotic, it shares its platform with the Italian automaker Fiat's 124 Spider. Both are ideal choices starting at $28,050 or $450 per month. And that's not a lot of coin to have fun topless. Volkswagen Golf GTI. The all-new Volkswagen Golf GTI is the hot hatch king, and it's been setting the benchmark for decades. It's back with even more power, more style, and more fun factor that will leave you breathless and begging for more. The heart of this magnificent machine will help you zip through the winding countryside roads with the growl of a 2-liter turbocharged 4 that pumps out an impressive 241 horsepower. The new Golf GTI isn't just about raw speed, but also sheer joy of driving and the art of connecting with the road. It's impressively balanced, quick, and versatile, making it the complete hot hatch package. And with 34 miles per gallon on the highway, you can rack up the smiles per mile without burning a hole in your wallet. At $30,530 or $490 per month, it is one of the more expensive options on this list, but the value is definitely still there. Chevrolet Camaro. The Chevrolet Camaro 4-cylinder proves that you don't need a massive V8 to have a blast behind the wheel. Turbochargers have gotten so good that this American icon has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that generates an impressive 275 horsepower. This potent power plant delivers lively acceleration and plenty of oomph for any driving scenario, proving less can actually be more. Get it with either an automatic or manual transmission, which is actually cheaper, and have a blast getting 30 miles per gallon on the highway while you're cruising to your favorite canyon roads. Now, the Turbo 4 and lighter weight give it a more European sports car feel blended with American muscle looks. It's really a winning combo, and when winning starts at $26,400 or $425 per month, the price hasn't ever looked so good. Now, real quick, let's hit you with an honorable mention. First up is the Toyota Corolla hatchback XSE. Now, it offers a sporty driving experience with its peppy engine and agile handling, all wrapped up in a stylish, compact design for just $26,430. Next up is the Hyundai Elantra GT N line. Now, this car combines an engaging turbocharged engine with aggressive styling and advanced technology, delivering a thrilling yet budget-friendly driving experience for $27,200. Then there's the Honda Accord Sport. Now, this Honda merges style, performance, and fuel efficiency in a budget-conscious package, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a fun-to-drive yet practical sedan for $31,895. And then there's the Mazda 3 Premium package. Now, this Zoom Zoom boasts sleek design, a refined interior, and lively engine, offering a premium driving experience without the premium price tag of $29,400. And lastly, the Challenger SXT. This thing brings classic American muscle car vibes to a more affordable level with its aggressive looks, comfortable ride, and strong V6 engine, allowing to enjoy the thrill of a muscle car without breaking the bank for just $30,545. And next up, you guys, is the Ford Mustang EcoBoost. Okay, love it or hate it, the Ford Mustang EcoBoost is a sports car that combines classic American muscle with modern efficiency, proving that you can have your cake and eat it too. But let me tell you why you should love this rockin' pony. Yes, it doesn't have the good old V8 of yesteryear. But what it does have is a 2.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that packs a punch with a whopping 310 horsepower. This feisty power plant delivers thrilling acceleration and plenty of muscle for any driving situation while maintaining an eco-friendly edge. And guess what, guys? The EcoBoost is actually lighter than the V8, with the opportunity to tune it like, well, a tuner engine. Since the Ford Mustang is one of the most popular vehicles in the world, the EcoBoost lets you tailor your Mustang to your ideal specs. Plus, all your high-octane adventures won't be expensive because you're gonna be getting 32 miles per gallon in this hog. Starting at $27,770 or $447 per month, this is one pony worth adding to the stable. So, which one is the Idealist? Well, I gotta think it's the GR86. I mean, Toyota reliability, Lexus LFA good looks, and since it's now been around for 10 years, I'd be excited for the opportunity to modify it and really make it my own ideal car. So, which one would you guys pick? Let us know down below. Also, please like and subscribe and turn on that notification thingy, and check out this video on 10 eye-opening facts about the Miata, or check out whatever YouTube recommends you watch next. I'm Brad, this is Ideal, and promise me one thing, keep living the ideal lifestyle.